To get pet hair out of your laundry, remove as much hair from the clothes as you can before washing them. Brush loose hair away with a dry sponge. Then remove stubborn hair that's still clinging with a lint roller. You can also use a fabric steamer to loosen pet hair sticking to delicate garments. Before washing your clothes, tumble them in the dryer for 10 minutes to catch hair in the lint trap. When you put the laundry in the washing machine, add fabric softener to the dispenser, since this can help loosen stubborn hair. Alternatively, add a half cup, 120 milliliters of vinegar to the fabric softener dispenser. Transfer your clothes to the dryer and add 1 to 2 dryer sheets or 3 to 6 wool dryer balls to help reduce static, which can make hair stick to the clothes. Pause the dryer halfway through the cycle and clean the lint trap to remove any pet hair that's caught there. Then restart it and finish the cycle.